Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 3.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 16.82% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.84% per day since we identified it as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $57.51, as it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential 39.18% change, with a possible return between 25.34% and 40.53%. Furthermore, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 89.91% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 27.53% and 91.24%. In other words, the price range could reach $72.63 to $108.91 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ brings important news. The TQQQ ETF has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate after Monday's trading session. On the last day, which was Monday, February 5, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.507%, going from $57.24 to $56.95. Throughout the trading day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 3.33%, starting at a low of $55.57 and reaching a high of $57.42. Interestingly, the ETF has shown an upward trend in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 4% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the ETF, which is actually a positive sign as volume should follow the ETF's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 29 million shares, with a total of 69 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.95 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $57.90, while the lowest price was $20.13. Currently, the price is 1.64% or 95 cents below the 52-week high, and it is 70.16% or $133.93 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Let's take a look at the signals for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is some support from the lines at $55.68 and $51.62. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moving on, we also have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 2, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.507% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot has been found. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In this video, we'll explore some interesting signals for stock trading. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger indicator showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages is also indicating a buy signal that occurred 61 days ago. Now, if we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average gave a sell signal 15 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 49 days ago. For more signals and to stay updated, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of TQQQ, the next support levels would be at $44.24 and $42.94. Moving on to risk, this ETF has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which indicates a medium level of risk. Yesterday, the ETF had a price range of $1.85 between its high and low, representing a 3.33% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 3.76%. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for TQQQ, which is at $57.07. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already invested in the stock, this could be a suitable level for swing trading. On the other hand, if TQQQ experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $54.76, reflecting a decrease of 3.85%. This ETF experiences moderate daily price fluctuations, resulting in a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal based on a pivot top that was detected 1 day ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we have observed several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for the TQQQ ETF. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture. As a result, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 6th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.303 and start trading at $56.65. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. At StockInvest.us, our goal is to provide you with valuable information, but it's essential to remember that you are solely responsible for your investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.